So today we will be reviewing the NID BDES 2015 paper. So in 2015, there were 10 sketching questions and 5 aptitude questions. Okay, that's crazy. So just see how the paper has turned upside down over the years, right? So, all right. Let us just quickly see. This is 6 marker is 2 minutes approximately. And then 6 marker, another 12 minutes. 8 marker, 16 minutes. 10 marker, 20 minutes. This is a 3D visualization question. And 10 marks design problem solving. 8 marks. This is comic strip. 8 marks theme sketch. 12 marks 2D graphics. 10 marks for creative question. 10 marks for design problem solving, 20 minutes. So I just want to, because there are too many questions and the marks are given like this, I just want to do a quick calculation to see if the time is matching or not, or how much do we need to allocate, all right? So what I'll do is I'll open a calculator. Are you able to see my calculator? No. All right. So
No,
I'll
sir.
reshare the entire screen. Let me reshare the entire screen. Okay. Share. All right. So, so let us just see the total marks. Okay. So let's count the total marks. Okay. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 12, 32 plus 8, 40, 48, 58, 68, 68 plus 8, 76. That is 76 plus 6 is 82. 82 plus 6 is 88. So 88 into 2 is how many minutes? 176 minutes. Yeah. No. Okay. Is this correct? Right? The total paper, the sketching paper is for 88 marks. Is it correct? Did anybody calculate? I mean, did anybody approach the paper in this mode?
No, sir.
Yeah. All right. So this is important to understand. See, if there are 5 questions, right, for theory, even if you take 1 mark, so 5 marks, so that is like one out of 180 minutes. Yeah, this is approximately 2 minutes per mark, right? So our kind of strategy almost holds good. So how many of you have finished the paper within the time limits?
So I couldn't finish all of.
You couldn't.
I have finished.
All right. So some of you have finished, some of you could not finish. So those who could not finish, what was the reason? What was the difficulty did you face?
3 minutes. 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 3 minutes
Did you follow the time limit or the strategy of time 2 minutes per question? Did you follow that? Okay, let me just talk to converse with who said that they could not finish. Who was that? Was it
That
Bible?
was me. No, Hasini.
Hasini. All right, Hasini. So did you follow that method of 2 minutes per mark strategy?
Not really, sir. Yeah, I think that was the reason.
That was the problem. So all those who
Yeah.
finished, did you manage the 2 minutes strategy?
No, sir.
No, you did not follow. Then there would be something wrong. I mean, maybe you have spent more time to certain questions which are not, I mean, which are less marks and etc. That kind of a thing would have happened if you're not
Yes, sir.
follow the
Because of
2 minutes.
with mark weightage, I have done the questions, sir.
Yeah, it is important that you follow the 2 minute strategy, 2 minutes per mark. And in one run, first run you allocate 1 minute per mark. In the second run, you allocate again 1 minute per mark. That is the right way of doing your work. Okay. All right, just a minute. Let me show my screen. All right. So let's go question after question quickly. Question 1A, pictorial images given below. Write the meaning of the following pictorial. You just have to write the meanings, all right? You don't have to redraw the entire thing. Okay, so let me take who is all in the call. CB, Vaibhavi, Nikhil and Hasini. Hasini is here. Okay, keep clean, fragile, daycare, merging roads, radioactive, discussion. Okay, so that is pretty straightforward, which is good. Okay, okay. Who else? I don't see anybody else.
The mine is above, sir.
If you notice your name, please.
CB, sir.
CB, where is CB here? CB, can
Sir,
you
it's
please?
down, sir.
No. Can you please share your email ID in the chat?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Okay, found that. Okay, let me open this and keep it. Use the dustbin, fragile, handle with care, diaper station, road narrow or track narrow, radiation hazard, X-ray machine. Number 6. This is X-ray machine. How you find this as an X-ray machine?
Sir, actually, I saw that as an in that hospital, sir. In that X-ray machine, I saw that symbol, sir.
Really?
So,
Really? I really do not know X-ray machine. X-ray is that kind. That is X-ray or radiation hazard. Okay. But this X-ray machine, I really doubt. I'm not very sure about that.
okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, anybody else? Yeah, why,
So I've
buddy?
uploaded.
Yeah,
So I didn't get the last one.
agile, pediatric care, bottleneck road, radioactive. That's good. Okay. So we didn't do the last one. Anybody else? Okay, let's move on to the next question then. Draw a representation for the following in the box below. Potholes ahead, gossip space, keep cleanliness. Okay, see the potholes ahead, gossip space. Okay, keep cleanliness. All right. Yeah, gossip space. Okay, these are pretty cool, neat. Okay, these are all pretty neat. Where were we? Okay, this is a little difficult to interpret. Okay, arrow to the when facing up, the potholes. So this has to be represented in a more understandable manner. So currently, this is not helping us to communicate. All right. Okay, gossip space and oh, what happened, Vaibhavi? You did not manage your time properly. This is 12 marks.
For the last one, I couldn't figure out because there's like already a sign for it, so I couldn't like what more to do.
Mm. But you have seen the CV's work, right? You got some ideas.
Yes, sir.
Keeping clean. Okay, see, all this you cannot just leave like that. It has to be neatly done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, I recommend you to go through all the other attempts of other students, okay, to understand their approach, how they have done, so that you get more ideas. All right. So do that after this review. Okay. Which is the next question? Let's see. Question 7. Draw a color palette of the following. Oh my God. Cockroach. Cheetah, sunflower, parrot. Cockroach, cheetah. mm, Zero. Okay. Sunflower, parrot. Color palette. Yeah, these are pretty decent. Cockroach, cheetah, sunflower, parrot. Yeah, this was a pretty good. I like the way that you're colored. It's more prominent and the color intensity is good. So color palettes are looking, when you can relate the color palettes to the actual object very nicely. That's good.
So mine's the second one.
Yeah. Nice, good. Okay, so cockroach, cheetah, sunflower, parrot. Nice. This is also pretty good. Okay.
So,
Yeah.
so can we use brush pens, or like brush pens are not allowed in the exam?
So I think there was a comment made, use brush pens, but do not use alcohol markers, right? Because alcohol markers, they're they bleed through the paper. Brush pens are all right. Okay, but what I suggest is just when you get the answer sheets, just do a little testing on the side corner or somewhere, or if there is a rough area, mark it there and see if it is bleeding at the back. Because it's a booklet, you will be doing back to back, right? I mean, in the sense, the
Yeah.
front side and the back side has a question and answer to answer. So you have to keep that in mind. Do a testing and check. All right. Okay. So you are going for a survey to rural area for general health awareness. Write 10 steps on how you would approach getting this information. So you're going for a survey to rural area for general health awareness. Write 10 steps on how you would approach getting this information. So basically, you got to sketch and also write. Vaibhavi, your illustrations have to be improvised. They're not
Yes, sir.
readable. Okay, these are simple illustrations, so should not have a lot of difficulty in doing it. Okay. By organizing camps to get to general health related survey, by providing house-to-house checkup survey, by announcing information related to health, by educating people about diseases and causes, by organizing separate educating facilities for women, by giving free child care facilities. We are going for a survey to rural area for general health awareness. Write 10 steps on how would you approach getting this information. So what they're asking is, okay, you're going to a rural area and you want to organize a survey. How would you organize the survey? What is your approach? What do you do first? What do you do next? What do you do next? Whom do you meet? Whom do you get the permission from? Okay, for example, you are going from here to Delhi by train. Okay, so what would be your approach to travel? What do you do first? You go to a train station, or maybe you try to book a ticket on IRCTC. You get the train ticket. Even just getting the train ticket has multiple steps, right? For example, if you're going to a train station to get the ticket from your home, so you take an auto, you go to the station, you go to the counter, you wait in the counter, you fill the form, wait for your turn, go give your form, all right? Look for the availabilities, look for the suitable train, ask the person to block it, pay the money, get the ticket, go back home. Then on the day or just before the travel, you pack your bags, okay? You take an auto, you go. So these are all the various steps, right, involved. They're not asking about 10 different ways you can approach the problem. They're asking for 10 steps on how you would approach getting this information. Understood, Vaibhavi?
Yes, sir.
So that's the problem. You're telling different ways you can collect, but you're not talking about the steps involved. Okay. That's a major problem. Okay. Gather a group of researchers and doctors. Ask permission for survey to the village head. Set up general checkup camps. Prepare questions to be asked. Give freebies to people willing to be interviewed. Interview and record the villagers. Record your observations. Let the doctors educate the village. Create posters for better understanding. Evaluate the data. Very nice work. I would have appreciated if
Thank
you
you.
had given like numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Right. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that way we know what to read, or you could just give an arrow mark. Okay, but here, but then you have to have an arrow here and then go here.
Yeah, numbering is better.
Number is much better. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
It is important that you read and understand the question. Otherwise, you would make mistakes, irreparable mistakes, where even if the evaluator wants to give you marks, he cannot give you the marks. Did you answer that question? Okay, yeah, this is the one, right? Okay, CD. All right. Public speaking, door to door, survey form, notices on board. CB, did you understand your problem? The problem? What?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Understand the question carefully.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else in the call? That Hasini, we have evaluated yours, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Cool. Let's go to the next question. So, given are 4 boxes without using arrows. What is? Given are 4 boxes without using arrows, show direction. Wow. How do you show direction without using arrows? The leaf pointing that side, this guy looking this side, hand pointing down, and mountains pointing up. That's pretty cool. That's good. Passing. Okay, and marching, going here, going here, going here, going here, going here. So they're asking for, given are 4 boxes without using arrows, show direction. Yeah, you're not using arrows, but you're showing direction. That is good, but it is the same thing.
Right. I didn't realize that it should be different.
I mean, this is a different way of interpreting. You are still showing the direction in 4 boxes with the ant marching.
Yeah, yes, sir.
But I mean, how do you interpret this question? 8 marks. They also given some text box to write. Did you write something? You should write. If there
No,
is
sir.
like this, then you should be writing something.
I mean, in the question, they haven't mentioned anything,
Mentioned,
so
but
I was not sure.
yeah, but if there is a like dotted lines, which means that it indicates that you should be writing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So this is a creative way of doing it. I like it. I mean, in each box, a direction has been shown. So one way you are answering the question, right? But if you had shown different possible ways of showing the direction, it would have been nice. For example,
Yeah, sir.
okay, I mean, my eye is going in this direction. So I'm reading it like this. That is good. Now, once I am here, you can probably show something else to move my eye to go down. Like it could be like footsteps reaching down. So
Yes, sir.
what you will be doing is you are showing still directions in all the four boxes, but each of these directions are different, are unique in nature.
Yeah,
Unique,
understood.
right? Yeah. So by the way, yeah. Okay, tongue, eyes, bullet. Okay, it's fine. But Vaibhavi, could you please start improving your illustration quality? You need tips in terms of how to improve your illustration?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can do this with a sketch pen without any breaks in the lines. When you're drawing these, draw it with uniform thickness, neatly, without any gaps between the lines.
Yes, sir.
So that will give a very solid illustration, and that should work for you. Next attempt, I would like to see good quality illustrations. Make it a point. Okay, be conscious of it, and try to do it nicely.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where is CB? I don't see CB's work here. Let us see Hasini's work. Ah, we have seen this, right? Hasini's work we have seen, yes. Okay, I think this we have not seen. Potholes ahead. Okay, gossip space, keep cleanliness. Yeah, these are nice. Okay. All right, that's good. Oh, this also we have done. All right, okay, cool. So we'll take the next question then. You have to make rotis or puris and have no rolling pin. Wow, to flatten the dough. State and illustrate 4 alternative ways using the objects from kitchen by which you could make puris or rotis. The Italian pizza way, the cylindrical chaat masala box, metal water bottle way, flatten it with a pan way. You can, yeah, okay. So these two are almost the same, okay, because it's a cylindrical object and you are rolling on top of it. So instead of that, one of that can be different. One you could do probably with kind of tapping on the hand, the dough ball on the hand, and then you press it and then you move it all around, right?
So
Yes,
even
sir.
I've thought of the same idea, but then in the question it's given that using kitchen objects you're supposed to do,
Kitchen
right? So
objects. Okay. Using objects from the kitchen. Okay, if that is the case, then this may not be valid, isn't it? Hand.
No, sir.
Flatten it with the pan way. Hmm. Okay, but I kind of like these ideas. This is good.
Yes, so the one on the right.
Rolling pin alternatives using a glass of a rolling pin, flattening the dough between two plates. Nice. Stretching the dough across a pot. Very good. Using a water bottle. Very good. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. And this is Vaibhavi. Mm. Did you answer that question, Vaibhavi?
Yes, I have uploaded.
I don't find it here.
So I'll just try re-uploading. I'll just re-upload.
Okay. Okay, let's see somebody else's meanwhile. Let us see this one. Okay, so draw 4 significant parts of the story given below from the following narration. Goose that laid the golden egg. A man and his wife owned a very special goose. Every day the goose would lay a golden egg, which made the couple very rich. Just think, said the man's wife, if we could have all the golden eggs and are inside the goose, we could get richer faster. You are right, said her husband. We wouldn't have to wait for the goose to lay an egg every day. So the couple killed the goose and cut her open, only to find she was just like every other goose. She had no golden eggs inside of her at all, and they had no more golden eggs. Okay, more eggs, more eggs, more eggs. Oh, I like this evil laugh and evil those things.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and then there, oh damn, no eggs at all. Beautiful. Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
yeah. Nice, nice. Good job, good job. Good job. I like the little these, expressions and little this stuff are very nice. Okay, CB. Proud. Yay. Swimming with the golden eggs. Oops, empty. No more gold. The crying. Nice, cool. Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Hasini,
Yes, sir.
did you upload?
Yeah, so you just saw it. The one
Oh,
before.
that's yours. Okay. Vaibhav,
Yeah.
Vaibhav is here. Okay. Yo, there's a golden egg, and she's imagining a lot of. Okay, so a lot of rupees with a lot of eggs. Okay, so he's thinking of cutting the goose, and then he's thinking we make a lot of money, but then they cut it and there's nothing inside, and they're very sad. Okay, you can improve the quality of illustrations, Vaibhavi. This has been the issue for you. You got to really work on that.
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor, tomorrow, do the same work with better quality illustrations. If you want to have a particular style, you can get inspiration from Instagram. So look for some line drawings line sketches. Okay, for example, line drawings. Okay, so look at these line drawings and see a particular style that you like, and try to get that look and feel, explore. Okay, so this is with a lot of lines like that, like a single line drawing. These are all single line drawings. Do one thing. Tomorrow, do the same thing with single line drawing. Like a woman's face with a single line drawing, and a goose with the egg with a single line drawing, like that, whatever you want to represent. Can you try once? Same topic.
Yes, sir.
And let us see, and use a pen, and without lifting your pen for the drawing. So it has to be like a single line, that particular thing, okay? Now look at this. Okay. Wow, gold. You see lots of inside, and you see the way that he has represented, right? It's a very dynamic view, very nicely involving, and very nice illustrations as well. Okay, just the movement of the sword here. Good job, actually. This guy has done a great job. Yeah, there's nothing here. So cool. Okay. Okay. Show a humorous conversation between knife and the onion in the given 4 boxes. The good, the bad, the ugly. The knife, the onion have a showdown. The wild, wild west, the cutting board. You are going to die. None can mess with me. Muhaha. Try me, buddy. And is it who is crying? The knife is crying.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's a lot of potential is there, but you could not complete it properly. It has a lot of potential, but you could have finished it nicely.
Yes, sir.
Please finish.
Okay, sir.
To the first.
Knife and onion, knife. Oh, hi there, Miss Onion. How are you today, Onion? What do you want? I only talk to
Complex.
complex, layered beings like myself. Oh, Onion is saying, not someone like someone
Dull.
dull and boring. Like, can you try writing them in caps?
Yes, sir. Next time I'll do that.
Yeah. Knife, would you like to see how dull I really am, Miss Onion? Oh, ha, ha, you know what? You seem quite sharp now. Please continue speaking. So I didn't understand. It's a sarcastic comment, is it?
Yes, sir. So since onions are layered, I use
No.
that as if like she's complimenting herself and then calling the knife dull and boring. But then, yeah, when it got closer, she was like, "Oh, right, knives are sharp."
Okay. It's cool. Somehow, the last frame, not able to understand clearly. The sarcasm is not shown because the knife is completely out of the picture. Can't see the expressions of the knife.
Right.
Okay, so onion is happy, but what is the position of the knife? What is it doing? No idea. Okay, so that is a missing part. Why? Cut me, please. Cut me? What is it? Cut me? Discs.
Cut me in discs.
Cut me in discs. Why? Many prefer me that way because many are single. But why? They prefer diamond rings, but मेरे से काम चला लेते हैं. Okay, and he got angry and he chopped into mocked him for being single. Oh, it has mocked him for being single. Mhm. You're single, right? Okay. Okay, so keep one thing in mind whenever you're doing something like this. The illustrations have to be big, the writing has to be small. Anyhow, once you're given this kind of a printed sheet, then everything will automatically come into picture. That's okay. Okay. Think yeah, could have been better. What could have been better is the amount of text that you are writing there, writing here, and etc. When you have a box and this, try to reduce the amount of text that you're writing within the box, because you can always tell that, okay, onion says, or knife says, whatever. Here, you don't have to say it literally in the box. Okay. It's done. Everybody's done, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what's the next question? Flow direction is done. Tabletop surface, draw a telephone and a pair of spectacles lying on it in proportion to the space given below. 10 marks, 20 minutes. So CB. Draw a telephone and a pair of spectacles. Okay, nice, cool, like that. It's pretty good job. Proportionate. It's all nicely and proportionate and like the wire and cool job.
Thank you, sir.
Cool job. Asini. Okay, so quite a quick sketch. Seems like you've done it in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. I didn't have much time.
Asini, next time, can you please follow the 2-minute strategy?
Yes, sir, I'll do that.
It's a rough sketch. I mean, it's a 10-mark question, so 20 minutes you should have spent. Approach is
Sir,
good.
actually, there's a timer for 1.5 hours in that DQH there, sir. So we can't.
What?
There is actually a timer for 1.5 hours, sir, for sketching.
Where is the timer?
There it shows, sir. See, timer 48 minutes, 2 seconds there.
Where
Yeah,
is it
down
show?
on the right side,
Corner,
you can see, sir. Right
bottom
corner.
right corner.
Bottom.
Oh, right. Okay.
Only
Of
1.5
course.
hours is allocated for drawing, sir. And
Oh,
1.5 hours for the 4 questions, sir.
oh, okay. So I think there's something wrong, so that can be fixed. We'll get it fixed. So
Okay, sir.
that's the problem. Thanks for letting me know. So the challenges that you're facing. So I think that will be get fixed, okay? Because only 5 questions for aptitude, no?
Yes, sir.
So much time for 5 questions of aptitude doesn't make sense. So it's basically it has to be altered. We'll get it rectified, okay? Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Keeping in mind, also did we evaluate all the papers, like whoever is here? Vaibhavi? Okay. There is no reason why it has to be kind of next to it. It can be in a different direction also. Okay. It looks little abruptly drawn. Maybe that's the timing is a problem. Okay. Keeping in mind, senior citizens in the society analyze one problem that they face at home or in the neighborhood. Suggest changes to the problem in the space given below. Keeping in mind, the senior citizens of the society analyze one problem that they face at home or in neighborhood. Suggest changes to the problem in the space given. To hold attaching to the rail. To hold, okay. This device is used to solve problem of climbing stairs that some senior citizens face. It attaches to the railing. It has a handle like a walking stick. It slides over the railing as the person moves. Its main feature is that it has a step that goes up to half the height of the normal stairs to make it easy for people to climb the stairs. So you're saying, Vaibhavi, this is a half step, is it? So,
Yes, sir.
so you're reducing the height of the tread.
Yes. So like for the senior citizen, it will be easier to raise the leg.
Okay, my question to you is, I have stepped onto it and I have gone up. Now, how do I bring this to the next step above?
So it will
Without hitting
slide
my
over
legs.
the.
Without hitting my legs.
So it will be on the side. Yes, it
How
won't
much
be in
is
front of
this?
you.
How much is this? What is the dimension of this step?
So like only like 6 inches by 6 inches.
6 inches by 6 inches. Can you step on a 6 inch
So
by
I
6
really
inch?
didn't think about the dimensions.
Then, and here you have shown it as a complete step, size of the complete step.
Yes, sir.
So, see, what they asked is analyze one problem that they face at home or in neighborhood. Okay. The problem that you are suggesting is that solving the climbing stairs that some senior citizens face. Now, what is the reason for facing this problem? You not mentioned. Okay, it could be like, okay, the tread height. So tread is basically the distance between two steps, that is called as tread. Okay, so maybe the tread is too high for them to climb each step one after the other. You've got to show the reason. What is the reason climbing the stairs is difficult for the senior citizens? Okay, that part is missing. And then how the application. Okay, what should be the size of this additional step, right? And then when they are walking, so what difficulty would they face? If they walk up, they're standing on the stairs and they're sliding this up, right? And then at the same time, this step is also moving up. What if it interferes with the legs that is already there? So these practical things that you should be thinking of, okay? So give attention to those details because it's a problem solving question. So got to think all that in depth.
Yes, sir.
Keeping in mind, yeah, sorry. What is the problem? Remembering to take their supplements for the illnesses they are going through. Nicely put. Okay, this product is a machine which helps the senior citizens to have their necessary supplements on a daily basis. You just have to put the tablets inside in bulk
Bulk, sir.
through the top, and it automatically splits your respective tablets per day. It is also a mini water container, so the person can drink water while taking supplements. It has an audio visual screen with some fun animations and encouraging phrases to encourage the elder citizen. Good problem to solve. Okay. Acha, top view. So put your tablets in bulk. I mean, Monday, which tablet? Okay, fine. Take me, throws the thing here. And then, good man, good job.
Thank you, sir.
Good job. I saw one interesting sketch. This is done by Sahiti. This sketch is beautifully done. Let us understand what she has done. One of the major problems older people face is the means to keep themselves entertained. Okay, as older people age, their brain capacity, memory, uh, they I don't know, and thinking ability slowly deteriorates. To keep them occupied, the use of brain games, for example, Sudoku, chess, etc., is a good way to not only pass time, but also spend it with loved ones on group games like Ludo. Beautiful illustration. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's a beautiful illustration. Nice. Okay, that's done, ma. Who else? Did we do everybody else? All right, let's do Hasini. These Hasinis. Not there.
He said that she couldn't do it.
She could not do it. Okay, that's done. Show humorous conversation between this is done. Now, goose is done. Draw color palette is done. Survey is done. Rotis are done. I think we have done everybody's, all the questions, right? Okay. Any questions anybody has? No questions. All right. Cool. All right. Thank you all so much for your patience, attendance, and please keep improving. Vaibhavi. So follow the feedback and let us see how you will improve your work. Okay. So
Yes,
with
sir.
that, we'll close the session. Thank you all so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.